Hey guys, welcome back to Robu.in. Hope you're all doing well and staying safe. So in this video, we are going to announce something exciting which each of us, you as well as us, are eagerly waiting for. Yes, it's the giveaway results. For those who don't know, Robu.in has organized a giveaway few days ago where few lucky winners will get a chance to win amazing orange Raspberry Pi as well as Arduino kits. Winners are selected randomly out of all the tasks mentioned in the previous giveaway video. We have received an amazing response from your side, by the way. We have noted 24,000 entries by your side on our website. Without any further ado, let's jump in and draw our winners. So right now I'm on the Glimpse website. So as you guys can see, there are so many invalid entries. Guys, please make sure you follow the steps as instructed in the giveaway video. Make sure you watch the whole video every time we post it. So now we will draw our winners. 6 winners, yes. So let's draw them. And here we go. These are the 6 winners. Congratulations to all of them. We are so happy for you guys that you have won this amazing orange Raspberry Pi and Arduino kits for yourself. Congratulations. We will be contacting you soon, so make sure you check your inbox every day. For those who didn't win in this giveaway, no worries guys, we are going to host so many giveaways in future, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified as soon as we post a new giveaway, which will be amazing, which gets amazing every time we do it. So make sure you subscribe. Go now. For all the winners, make sure to tag Robu.in in your Instagram story, because why not? You have won it for yourself and this is a great achievement for you and for us, because we love doing these giveaways for you guys. So make sure you tag us on your Instagram story. Stay safe, stay tuned at Robu.in.